Welcome to Cafe de Lauren's Kitchen. Tonight I am going to show you guys my chicken casserole. This is very just easy to make. These are all the ingredients that we prepared here. First, our shredded chicken. Next, our cream of chicken soup, 3 cans. Next, black pepper. Next, our 10 ounces of mixed vegetables. Next is our 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Next, Parmesan cheese. We're just gonna use this Parmesan as like maybe 1/3 of it. Next, 2/3 of a cup of chicken stock. And last is our pasta farfalle. And let's start it. Let's start. Gonna make our pasta. Let's turn on our stove to high heat. Add some olive oil in the water, some salt. We're just like gonna cook our pasta about 5 minutes. We're still waiting to boil our water. So now that our water is boiling, we're gonna start putting our pasta. Okay, so after 5 minutes cooking our pasta, now we're gonna start draining them, and we're gonna move to the next process of our cooking. We drain them. So, alright, after we drained our farfalle pasta, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add all this stuff in our big pot. I'll show you how. So first, our shredded chicken. You don't need to add more. Our frozen mixed vegetables. Cream of chicken soup. Mozzarella cheese. We don't have to put all of it because we're still gonna use them after we mix all our ingredients in this pot, and then we're gonna transfer it in the baking dish. So we're gonna add some black pepper, and last is our 2/3 of a cup of chicken stock. I could smell it now. It smells so good. Kids would love this. Still mixing it. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Alright, now we're gonna start transferring in our baking dish. And then after we transfer it in our baking dish, we're going to pop in our oven and bake it about like 45 minutes. Next, we're gonna add more mozzarella on top. Then after that, our Parmesan cheese. I like using this Parmesan cheese rather than like the shredded one like from the store. I don't like the powder using when I use Parmesan cheese. Okay, I don't have to put too much juice. Okay, it's already too cheesy. And now it's time to pop in our oven. So now our oven was been preheated to 375 Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna start popping our chicken casserole inside of our oven. Let's do it. So here is my chicken casserole after the 45 minutes baking in the oven. Look at it. It looks so pretty. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.